Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Dota 2 not launching. It's easy. If you want to fix this, all you have to do, click here and then go to enable Xbox game bar. Now just turn off this option and then go to graphics settings and enable hardware accelerated, and now go to Windows update settings. Make sure you have the latest update for your Windows, and then go to GeForce Experience and now go to settings, scroll down and enable image scaling, and then go to drivers, check for updates, make sure you have the latest update for your graphics card, and that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.